Good day, everyone. So I'm Alexander the Third Colonia from BPED 1B. So today I tackle about individual self and dialogical self. So presenting and preparing this report helped me understand the topic more deeply. I realized that learning is not just about memorizing facts, but also about understanding how to apply in real life. This experience also improved my confidence in speaking in front of others and taught me the importance of being prepared. Overall, I gained new knowledge and learned valuable skills that I can use my future studies and everyday life. So, learning about the individual self and the ideological self helped me understand who I truly I am and how my life unfolds. So, these two aspects do not clash, clash. They work together to shape my whole being. The individual self is my unique core, my own thoughts, values, talents, dreams, and personal struggles. It is what makes me different from everyone else. I see my side of myself when I reflect on what I want for my futures, or when I stand by my values even when others disagree, like choosing kindness even when it is difficult. Nurturing this part of me is essential. When I stay connected to my individual self, I live with purpose and take responsibility for my own growth. At the same time, at the same time, I do not exist alone, and that is where the ideological self comes in. My identity is also formed through my interaction with others and the inner conversation I hold with their voices, the words, perspectives, and care from my family, friends, mentors, and even strangers become part of how I see myself. When a teacher praised my hard work, I began to see myself as of more when capable of more. When a friend shared their hardship, I learned greater empathy and gain new appreciation for my own blessings. This connection teach me that I grow alongside others, not just on my own, not on my own. Through this reflection, I realize myself is a constant balance. I still root in my individual self, my beliefs and goals, while also opening myself to learn, adjust, and grow through every relationship and experience. To know myself fully, I must honor I must honor who I am while also embracing how I am, shaped by and contribute to the world around me. This balance guides me to live with authenticity and meaning, both as my own person as part of a larger community. So that's all, and thank you for watching and sa pagpaminaw. Thank you.